Hey, what's up?
Hi, nothing. Yeah, I'm just trying to look for a nice birthday present for my mom. You know, I wanted to get her something special like gold earrings or something, but I don't think मेरे budget में कुछ decent मिलेगा. You know, first I thought कि I'll exchange an old pair for a new one from the jeweler, पर कल ऑफिस में लेट हो गया और आज मार्केट्स बंद है. बर्थडे कल है और मुझे आज उनको सरप्राइज करना था. क्या करूं?
बेटा, अगर गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट किया होता ना तो आज ये दिन ना देखना पड़ता.
अच्छा, गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट किया होता. यहाँ पे इयररिंग्स खरीदने के पैसे नहीं है, तुम गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करने की बात करो. पैसे तुम्हारे पापा देंगे.
अरे ज्यादा नहीं तो 1 रुपए डाल देते.
Listen, I'm not in the mood to joke right now. Okay?
You wouldn't be saying this if you knew about Paytm Gold.
Paytm Gold. What's that?
Paytm Gold is one of the coolest thing you would have ever heard of. If you would have invested in Paytm Gold, आज आंटी के लिए झट से ज्वेलरी आ जाती.
अच्छा, कैसे?
See, most saving instruments have an average minimum balance requirement, right?
Right.
But not Paytm Gold. Paytm Gold offers a unique flexibility in this. जितना इन्वेस्ट करना है उतना करो. 50, 100, 500, 1000.
50 का गोल्ड. What are you saying?
50 छोड़. You can buy as low as 1 rupee worth of pure gold and store it securely for free. And this can go a long way in developing a habit of saving regularly.
But how do you know it's safe?
Because with Paytm Gold, you can buy 24 karat 999.9 pure gold from MMTC PAMP.
Wait. What's MMTC PAMP?
MMTC PAMP is India's only internationally accredited refinery. And every gold bar is tested for purity to ensure highest quality.
Okay, that's fine. But what about lockers and making charges and all that?
Are you a Paytm customer?
Yeah.
Great. Paytm customers enjoy the convenience of storing their gold in the country's most secure 100% insured vaults at zero additional charges.
So do you mean that we can save our gold without having to worry about high processing fees, delivery charges, even locker fees?
Absolutely. You don't even have to wait for your lockers now.
I know. अब स्कूल, कॉलेज और नौकरी के बाद ऐसा लग रहा था कि बैंक में लॉकर के लिए भी सिफारिश की चिट्ठी चाहिए होगी.
एक तो पहले बैंक जाओ, ऊपर से लाइनों में खड़े हो, हजारों प्लान में से कुछ देखो, फिर एक बड़ी मुश्किल से एक प्लान चूज करो and then the never ending paperwork.
I swear. But tell me something, can I sell this gold?
Of course you can. Most saving instruments take up to 48 hours to return cash. However, if you buy Paytm Gold, you can sell it online at one transparent international market link price across India. यानी फोन पे खरीदो, फोन पे स्टोर करो और फोन पे ही बेचो and instantly get the money transferred to your bank account. No more hassles of going to the jeweler and negotiating भैया कितने का दिया blah blah blah.
अरे वाह यार. But tell me something, with these tiny savings, how much can I actually end up saving?
Quite a lot actually. So imagine जो तू रोज 100 रुपए पिज्जा बर्गर में लगाती है. If you start investing 100 rupees every day in your Paytm Gold account, in an year you'll have 12 grams of pure gold. फिर आंटी को इयररिंग्स के साथ गोल्ड चेन और पेंडेंट भी दे देना. And in case कोई इमरजेंसी हो जाए तो इमरजेंसीज के लिए हमेशा तैयार. अरे सोचो मत, इन्वेस्ट करो.
पेटीएम करो.